What is up, guys? So we're headed out into the garage, just right down there, to do some more things in my dad's truck. This is gonna be epic. It's literally a loaded Ford 97. We're gonna be putting some like soundproofing stuff in it, new radio, things like that. But I'm gonna have y'all watch this time lapse, enjoy it, and this should be a lot of work. All right, guys, it is looking pretty, well, actually not sweet, but pretty empty in here. We're getting all this headliner and carpet off. And then we got some boxes. Lots of boxes. There's a back seat. Got the front leather seats. Freaking nice. Chevy console. There's all the parts we've taken off of it. He's also got some LED light bars for the front of this thing. It's ready to have some LED lights. Right now our garage is a little messy since we've been working on this truck quite a lot, doing lots of cool stuff on it. Like he just put a brand new front, let me see if you can even see that, brand new front springs on it. Fox shocks underneath there. He's got all brand new front suspension on it. I don't know if y'all can, GoPro turn back on. You probably can't even tell. Brand new front suspension basically all the way. He's really making his truck loaded and nice, man. After we do this, I think this is one of the last things we're gonna do. But man, it's starting to look real nice. So let's get this carpet and headliner out and start putting in the stuff and get that new radio in there. up, guys? So we've been driving that thing everywhere. The stuff works so good. It's way quieter on the inside, especially on the highway. I definitely recommend it if you have an old vehicle that's kind of loud on the inside, or even a newer vehicle. The stuff really works. I've got the same truck as my dad, and it's way louder on the inside. Now we can actually talk in his truck. I mean, you can before. The only thing you hear a little bit is the engine sound, but I mean, it's a 7.3 liter diesel. You're gonna hear that. So yeah, I definitely give that stuff a 5-star rating. It's some good stuff. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.